how to buy a listen token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token it's trending in the number 7, as you can see here. As you can see, this token increased by 18,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. It means your investment in the safe place. So the market cap, it's $14.6 million and the volume is $40 million, as you can see. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the Solana. So you can open your fund to money for that. Click on follow up here, and after that make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click on here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it here, type how much you want to buy, for example that, and after that you will be able to see how much you receive. Now into provider, select your provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you find any issue after that, go back to this page and switch the slippers from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a listen token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.